Hey guys, this is Omar, broker and CEO of Alden Mortgage and Mary Realty, and this is your mortgage rate update as of 5/3/2022. We're just pretty much exactly on the same song and dance. We're going to be pricing out 30-year fixed, 15-year fixed, a 30-year FHA, a 30-year jumbo, and a 5/1 adjustable rate mortgage. And if you don't know what a 5/1 adjustable rate mortgage, it stays fixed, interest only for 5 years, and then adjusts according to the rate and the cap on your product. And the song and dance continues. Interest rates have increased. We are currently sitting at 5.55 on a 30-year fixed. That is 0.14% increase from yesterday, 0.23% increase from 1 week ago, 0.67% increase from 1 month ago, and 2.43% increase from 1 year ago. 15-year fixed will be sitting at 4.89%. That is 0.05% increase from yesterday, 0.14% increase from 1 week ago, 0.67% increase from 1 month ago, and 2.34% increase from 1 year ago. 30-year FHA will be sitting at 5%. That'll be 30-year FHA will be sitting at 5%. That is 0.12% increase from 1 day ago, 0.10% increase from 1 week ago, 0.56% increase from 1 month ago, and 2.38% increase from 1 year ago. 30-year jumbo will be sitting at 4.68%. That is 0.12% increase from 1 day ago, 0.16% increase from 1 week ago, 0.50% increase from 1 month ago, and 2.38% increase from 1 year ago. 30-year jumbo will be sitting at 4.68%. That is 0.12% increase from 1 day ago, 0.16% increase from 1 week ago, 0.50% increase from 1 month ago, and 1.50% increase from 1 year ago. 5/1 adjustable rate mortgage will be sitting at 4.55%. That is 0.17% increase from 1 day ago, 0.36% increase from 1 week ago, 0.61% increase from 1 month ago, and 2.17% increase from 1 year ago. So that is going to be your mortgage rate update. Now, as far as the real estate market is concerned, now the increase in inventory has slightly increased. Very slightly. Now, majority of people are thinking, okay, why aren't people selling? Why is there there's no incentive for people to sell? Because you have a big problem. The big problem is that if you did sell, where are you going to go? You could go ahead, and especially here in California, the interest rates have increased, home prices have increased so much that you're just going to be doing a lateral movement. So there's this huge disconnect between people that are trying to buy and people that are trying to sell. Now, developers have decreased their total home sales. Now, as far as the disconnect also goes, there's also some really relative news that is from major publications that are completely off, and I don't understand where they're getting most of their numbers. Because first of all, they should not be in the real estate market. They should not be the ones that are able to go ahead and depict what type of real estate news. And that's the whole point of this channel, is to go ahead and give you actual factual information. The factual information that we give is, because we actually do this. I am actually a real estate and mortgage broker. I own my own company. I see this every day. This is not one of those things where it's a song and dance and let me go ahead and sugarcoat things, where a lot of news headlines are out there, like Wall Street Journal is doing it, a couple other people, like, oh, rising interest rates have increased, home prices are still increased, buying power is still strong. I don't know where this whole entire song and dance is coming from, but the fact is that we have decreased total on all mortgage applications. We have decreased total on more people that are able to be approved buyers, and the numbers that they are getting are based off of current sales. Now, their sale contracts are going to be between the current homes that are in contract, but not the ones that are coming in. So NAR is doing the same thing. These are just things that just don't make sense. Now, that's as far as the disconnect goes between buyers and sellers. There's no incentive. There's nothing for either one of them to gain, and typically there will be a gain on one end versus another end. Now, adjustable rate mortgages have increased because we have been selling a lot of adjustable rate mortgages, only because the pricing difference is so dramatic between the 30-year fixed rate and adjustable rate mortgages. Whether you're on a 7/6, you're on a 10/6, you're on a 5/6, whatever mortgage product you get, because your buying power increases as you go ahead and go into the adjustable rate mortgage, because you want to go ahead and get into a house, you want to purchase. The purchase market, it's teetering now, because we have kind of just segued into a market where people are actually getting you know, a little bit weeded out as far as, you know, going ahead and being able to purchase the home, because the same amount that you were able to purchase, let's say a year ago, a week ago, a month ago, just as far as like, you know, 6 months ago, it's changed so much. So what something that you were approved for just a week ago is totally different than what you will be able to be approved for today. So that, as far as the whole entire real estate market is concerned. Now everybody's also asking the same question. Hey, so are adjustable rate mortgages, is something that, because adjustable rate mortgages was one of the biggest factors in the 2008 crash. Well, the 2008 crash happened because we had 40% of all mortgages being held. There actually were being held and coming to term in 2008. Now, currently, as of right now, we only hold 10% adjustable rate mortgages. So it's a really big disconnect between that. So is there going to be another housing crisis? Is there going to be another housing crash? No, we do foresee it to be a little bit of a correction. That's if there's some sort of incentive for people to go ahead and either A, sell their home, B, buy their home more at a more affordable price. But currently right now, as far as rental prices gone, rentals have increased, interest rates have increased, the cost of living has increased, everything has just pretty increased. And I'm just gonna go ahead and enjoy my cup of coffee and kind of ride this one out, because we're all kind of feeling it. It's not too great right now, but that's your mortgage rate update. Until next video, guys, please consider liking, subscribing, all that good stuff. Comment below. And for up to 50% commission rebate on your next real estate purchase, 0% listing on selling your current home, or any mortgaging assistance, link in the description below. Thank you for watching. Until next video, guys. Peace.